Hello amigos, welcome back to my YouTube channel Maths Phobia. In the earlier video, we have discussed exercise 6a. Exercise 6b will be discussed at the end of the chapter. So let's discuss exercise 6e. Few important concepts before exercise 6e. Compound angles. The algebraic sum of two or more angles is called as compound angles, which means a plus b or b plus c or a plus b plus c or a plus b minus d, etc. Some important formulas are sine of a plus b. Based on these formulas, the sums will be dependent. The formula goes like sine a cos b plus cos a sin b. Second compound angles formula is sine a minus b is equals to, if plus is there in this formula, you will get plus. If minus, minus. Sine a cos b minus cos a sin b. Next is for cos of a plus b. Cos a cos b. If when it comes to the cos of a plus b, if it is plus, you will get minus. Sin a sin b. Fourth is cos of a minus b, which means cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. Formula of tan of a plus b, which means tan a plus tan b 1 minus tan a into tan b. Sixth formula, tan of a minus b, which means tan a minus tan b by 1 plus tan a tan b. Seventh formula, sin of a plus b plus sin of a minus b, which means 2 sin a cos b. Eighth formula, sin of a plus b minus sin of a minus b, which means 2 cos a sin b. Ninth formula, cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b, that is 2 cos a cos b. 10th one, cos of a plus b minus 2 sin a sin b. 11th formula, cos of a minus b minus cos of a plus b, 2 sin a sin b. In the coming exercises, you will notice this RHS as a question. So we have so that from this we can understood that we have to use the given formulas in LHS. Sin square a minus sin square b, which means sin of a plus b into sin of a minus b. Cos square a minus sin square b, which means cos of a plus b into cos of a minus b. 14th one, cos square b sine square cos square b minus cos square a is equals to sine of a plus b into sine of a minus b. The above 14 formulas are very important formulas. If you get if you understand these formulas, so that you can solve the exercise problems of next coming exercises. Next formula is sine 15. Sine 15 can be written as in the compound angles formula 45 minus 30, as this is in the form of sine of a minus b, which means sine a cos b minus cos a sin b. Here a is 45 and b is 30. Substitute the angles. Sin 45 cos 30 minus cos 45 sin 30. From the trigonometric table, we have learned the values of sin 45 as 1 by root 2, cos 30 as root 3 by 2, cos 45 is 1 by root 2, and cos 30 1 by 2. From this, root 3 by 2 root 2 minus 1 by 2 root 2. As LCM is common, root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2 is the formula of sin 15. So, sin 15 is equals to root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Similarly, sin 75, which can be written in the formula of sin of 45 plus 30. So this is in the form of sine of a plus b, which means sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Sin 45 cos 30 plus cos 45 and sin 30. 1 by root 2 root 3 by 2 plus 1 by root 2 into 1 by 2, which means root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. So the value of sin 75 is root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Similarly, let's find the value of cos 15 and cos 75. Cos 15 can be written as cos 45 minus 30. From the above compound angles, we have learned cos of a minus b as cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. This is cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. That is cos 45 cos 30 plus sin 45 sin 30. 1 by root 2 root 3 by 2 plus 1 by root 2 1 by 2, that is root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. So the value of cos 15 is root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Next, cos 75 is cos of 45 plus 30. This is in the form of cos of a plus b, which means cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Cos 45 cos 30 minus sin 45 sin 30. Substitute the values. You will get root 3 by 2 root 2 minus 1 by 2 root 2. That is root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. So from this above solving, we have known that sin 15 and cos 75 values are same, and sin 75 and cos 15 values are same. In order to make us more understanding these formulas, let's solve some examples. So the given question is sin square 52 and half minus sin square 22 and half, and we are asked to find the value of this. As simply this is in the formula of sin square a minus sin square b, which means sin of a plus b into sin of a minus b. That is sin of sin square a minus sin square b. That is sine of a plus b into sine of a minus b. So from above question, the value of a is 52 and half and value of b is 22 and half. Sine of 52 and half plus 22 and half into sine of 52 and half minus 22 and half. So 52 plus 22, 52 plus 22 is 74. Half and half goes raised to 1. So this is 75 degrees. And 52 minus 22 is 30. And this half and this half get cancelled. This is sine 30. As we learned that the value of sine 75 is root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Substitute the values. Root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. The value of cos 30 is 1 by 2. So this is root 3 plus 1 by 4 root 2. That's proved. In the next question, it is given that prove that tan 70 minus tan 20 is 2 into tan 50. So take this term tan 50. Tan 50 can be written as tan of 70 minus 20 from the compound angles formula. We know that tan of a minus b is equals to tan a minus tan b by 1 plus tan a tan b. Substitute this formula. Tan a minus tan b by 1 plus tan a tan b. Substitute these values. Tan 70 minus tan 20 by 1 plus tan 70 into tan 20. Tan 70 minus tan 20 by 1 plus tan 70, and tan 20 can be written as tan of 90 minus 70. Tan 70 minus tan 20 by 1 plus tan 70. Tan of 90 minus theta is cot theta. Cot 70. As tan and cot are opposite angles, this both get cancelled and gives raised to 1. Tan of tan 70 minus tan 20 by 1 plus 1. Take this tan 50 down. Bring this tan 50 down. That is tan 50 is equals to tan 70 minus tan 20 by 2. Cross multiply. 2 tan 50 is tan 70 minus tan 20. So thus proved. I hope you have understood the previous sums. Now let's go to the third sum, which is the most important 2-mark question, which has been repeated several years in a board question paper. That is, if a plus b is equals to pi by 4, then prove that first one 1 plus tan a into 1 plus tan b is 2, and second one is cot a minus 1 into cot b minus 1 is equals to 2. So in order to prove this sum, take this LHS, which is given as 1 plus tan a into 1 plus tan b. Multiply this term with this 2 and similarly this with this 2. Distributive property. 1 into 1 1, 1 into tan b, tan a into 1 tan a, tan a into tan b, tan a into tan b. Consider this as equation 1. So the given condition is a plus b is 45. Take this a plus b as 45 degrees. Apply both side by tan. As we want the answer in tan, so apply both side in tan. Tan of a plus b is equals to tan 45. This is in the formula of tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b. As we know that the value of tan 45 is 1. Cross multiply this. Tan a plus tan b is equals to 1 minus tan a tan b. Take this tan a tan b that side. Tan a plus tan b plus tan a tan b is equals to 1. From equation 1 and 2, substitute the value of tan a plus tan b plus tan a tan b as 1 in this equation 1. So 1 plus tan a tan b into 1 plus tan is equals to 1 plus tan a plus tan b plus tan a tan b. The value of tan a from equation 2, we have known that the value of tan a plus tan b plus tan a tan b as 1. Substitute this. So we have proven that 1 plus tan a into 1 plus tan b as 2. So let's prove second one. Cot a minus 1 into cot b minus 1. So let's multiply this. Cot a cot b minus cot a minus cot b plus 1. Consider this as equation 1. As in order to find the value of this, take the condition a plus b as 45 degrees and apply cot on both sides. Cot of a plus b and cot 45. The reverse of tan will be, you are getting a cot of a plus b, that is cot a into cot b minus 1 by cot of cot a plus cot b is equals to 1. Cross multiply it. So cot a cot b minus 1 is equals to cot a plus cot b. Take this cot a cot b this side. So cot a cot b minus cot a minus cot b is equals to 1. Take this one to RHS. From equation 1 and 2, we have known the value of cot a cot b minus cot a minus cot b as 1. Is equals to cot a cot b minus cot a minus cot b minus 1. Sorry, plus 1. The value of this is 1 from equation 2. 1 plus 1 is 2. Thus proved. Before getting to the next sum, I request all you guys to get used to the formulas and read the formulas regularly in order to solve the problems very quickly. So let's go to the next sum. It is given that prove that cos 9 plus sin 9 by cos 9 minus sin 9 is cot 36. As it is asked to prove the answer in cot, divide both sides by sin. Divide numerator and denominator with sin 9. So that cos 9 by sin 9 plus sin 9 by sin 9 by cos 9 by sin 9 minus sin 9 by sin 9. This is 1. This is 1. Cos 9 by sin 9 is cot 9. My cot 9 plus 1 by cos 9 by sin 9 is cot 9 minus 1. We have to convert this formula into compound angles. So cot 9 plus 1 cot minus 1. Can we write cot 9 into 1? No. So cot 9 into, take the value of 1 as cot 45 degrees. Cot 45 minus 1 by cot 9 and convert this as cot 45. So this is in the formulas cot of 45 minus 9, that is cot 36. Thus proved. So let's go to the next sum, which is given as sin square theta plus sin square theta plus pi by 3 plus sin square theta minus pi by 3 as 3 by 2. So in order to solve this sum, expand this. Sin square theta, this is in the formula of sin of a plus b. Sin theta cos pi by 3 plus sin pi by 3 into cos theta whole square plus sin theta minus cos pi by 3 minus cos theta minus into sin pi by 3 whole square. As you know that the sin theta cos pi by 3 as root 3 by 2 plus sin 3 by 2 sin pi by 3 as 1 by 2. So this is in the formula of a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square. A plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square, that is 2 into a square plus b square. So sin square theta plus 2 into, the value of a is sin theta cos pi by 4 whole square plus b is sin pi by 3 cos theta. So sin square theta plus 2 into sin square theta, the value of cos pi by 3 is 1 by 2. So whole square 1 by 4 plus sin pi by 3 is root 3 by 2, that is 3 by 4 into cos square theta. Sin square theta plus 2 into, LCM is same, so sin square theta plus 3 cos square theta by 4. Sin square theta as 2 ones are 2 2s are, that is 1 by 2 sin square theta plus 3 by 2 cos square theta. As LCM is 2, take LCM as 2. So this is 2 sin square theta plus sin square theta plus 3 cos square theta by 2. 2 sin square theta plus sin square theta is 3 sin square theta plus 3 cos square theta by 2. Take 3 common. Sin square theta plus cos square theta by 2. The value of sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So 3 by 2. We have proved the value of sin square theta plus sin square theta plus sin square theta plus pi by 3 plus sin square theta minus pi by 3 as 3 by 2. Thus proved. I hope you have understood today's videos. Subscribe for next series of videos. Thank you.